Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So today I want to talk about how gaming can save Linux. Now before I get into this further, I want to be really clear that Linux is not going anywhere. It's absolutely everywhere. It's on all our servers pretty much. And if you even think about the Android operating system and the kernel that's on there, Linux kernel, Linux is definitely going to be around forever. But what I'm specifically focusing on here is Linux as a desktop operating system. So this is why I think it's so important that gaming is continually going to improve. And the overall reason for why it can save Linux is really simple. But let's just think about this for a moment. There are a lot of gamers out there, and the gaming industry is absolutely huge, and it continually grows every single day. And then there are other factors involved with it, not just all the programmers and the software companies that are involved in gaming, but also so many hardware manufacturers, NVIDIA, AMD, Asus, all the different manufacturers who makes the memory, the motherboards, the casing, all the gaming industries that surround that, whether it's in electronic arts, an MSI, or gaming competitions. There are a lot of people involved and a lot of companies. And most importantly, all of this leads back to the simple thing that I mentioned earlier, which is money. And so if Linux gaming continually improves and more people are buying things related to Linux gaming, then that means more of these hardware manufacturers like Intel, like AMD, like NVIDIA is going to provide much better support, specifically with driver support to begin with. And because more people are going to buy hardware just for Linux gaming, then that means more software companies are going to want to produce games for Linux as well. And how this can save Linux in a bigger picture is that because more money is being spent in Linux as a desktop operating system as a whole, then that means other software companies like Adobe will definitely produce software for the Linux desktop operating system platform. So those are the reasons why I think gaming can save Linux. And hopefully it's going to get there, because with the rate that things are improving, specifically with companies like Valve with their Steam service, working with the Wine team, and many other things surrounding that, I think we're definitely going to get to a point where we no longer have this battle or this thought of like, well, I have to run Windows to play games, because you no longer need that. And you also be able to run other software as well, like Adobe, as I mentioned. And so if you had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave them in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.